Welcome to our products introduction video. We're a manufacturer of industrial remote control from China. Today's product is a double joysticks remote control for robot car. Right joystick controls moving forward or back, while the left one controls turning right or left. For customers' convenience, here we use 360 degrees joystick instead of single axis proportional one. We also designed two push buttons here. Push it and the robot car would turn 90 degrees left or right on the spot. This is the receiver. It could output by CAN, and the external antenna is usually attached on the switch box. To make the remote control safer and more reliable, we designed an enable button on the left top side. Only when you push the enable button and operate the joysticks at the same time will the control work. The other side is the emergency stop push button. If battery is under low power, the red indicator here will light, then you could change new battery or charge it as it has a charging interface here.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.